Welcome to Damka Memorial Kids at Poultry Farm. My name is Linto Boso and I'm the farm manager. This is how we started.
Yote yanawezekana kwa kila aaminie. Yote yawezekana kwa imani, yote yawezekana. Oh, yote yawezekana. Tuimbe wote.
17th February 2025, we brought in our first lot of 200 birds, but we intend to increase the number up to a minimum of 1,000 birds before the end of the year. Courtesy of Viv Healthcare, we started this project. We intend to sustain the project. Proceeds from this project will be used to scale up the project for the next year and support our vulnerable children in the community. Damka Memorial Kids Act truly appreciates the support from Viv, and we will strive to make this project a success.